Hi crochet besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is on how to crochet this ruffle slippers, and if this is your first time seeing my video, thank you very much for stopping by. Please feel free to join the family by subscribing. Okay, so let's go straight to the tutorial, guys. So you're going to be needing a pair of slippers. Okay, I already listed out the materials that we are going to be using on the top left. Okay, so you can just take your time and look there and see the materials that I used. You can use whatever material you want for your own, whatever color, whatever size of yarn and hook. Okay, so you can start off by making a slip knot, but I didn't make a slip knot. This is just how I connected my yarn to my slippers. Okay, just like this. So after this, I'm going to chain one, then I'll start making my single crochets. Okay, so I'm going to make single crochet and make sure that in the whole part of the slippers that I'm working on is covered. This part is not supposed to be ruffled, just normal but all covered. So I'm going to continue making my single crochets until I get to the other end of the slippers. So I'm not going to tell you how many single crochet that I made because the slippers are of different sizes. This is 41, I think. Yeah, size 41 or size 40, 41. So you might be making for a different one, so just make your single crochet as much as you need. Okay, so I'll meet you at the other end to show you what to do next. So guys, I'm here at the end of the row and I walked from this end to this other end. Okay, so going over to the next row, I'm going to chain three, and these three chains count as a double crochet. So after the three chain, I'm going to turn, and in that same space I'm going to make four more double crochets. That is making it a total of 5 double crochets. Now the double crochet that you make in each stitch depends on how you want the ruffle to be. Okay, so if you want much ruffle, you can make more double crochets. If you want less, you can make less. So you can make 5 in this stitch and 4 in this other stitch. So whichever is comfortable with you, feel free to experiment on it and see what you have. Okay, so for me, 5 single crochets in each of it. If I don't feel okay with that, I can make 5 single crochets, 4 single crochets in each stitch. Okay, so just play around with it until you get what you want. So I'll meet you at the end of the row to show you what to do next. So guys, I'm here at the end of the row and our work is looking beautiful. So the last double crochet that I'm making here, I'm going to stop halfway just here. If you are familiar with my tutorials, you know that this is the way I like connecting new color. So I'm going to use the new color to finish that up, then tie a knot twice to secure the connection. Okay, so after tying the knots, I'll grab my scissors and cut off the black color of yarn. Now the black color is 6 ply, is yeye extra. Okay, so yeye extra 6 ply. Then this greenish color that, or this new color that I'm connecting, is also yeye yarn, but it is um the yeye regular. So I'm using 2 ply for it so that it can correspond with the previous size that I used. So after that, you chain one and make one single crochet in all the stitches that you have. I will continue until I get to the end of the row, and I'll meet you there. So guys, I'm here at the end of the row. I'll just finish up my single crochet, then I'll chain one and grab my scissors, cut the yarn off, then pull it out and tie a knot twice tightly. So you tie a knot and make it tight, okay, because this is just a closure. Okay, then after that, I'll grab my scissors and cut off the remaining one. You can still hide this tail in between the stitches if you want. Okay, so I'm done with this, and I really appreciate you for watching this video till this time. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, because I really enjoyed making it. It's a very easy one, very fast and easy. Within 2 hours you're already done with this. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed, and make sure you like the video and share with your friends. Also feel free to drop an encouraging comment in the comment section down below. Thank you guys. Bye. See you in my next video. Mwah.